Now, தமிழ்த்தாள் வாழ்த்து.
தமிழ்த்தாய் வாழ்த்துவோம். தமிழ்த்தாய் வாழ்த்து.
Good afternoon, students. On behalf of DB Jain Computer Science Department.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Now I invite
Good afternoon, sir.
M. Satyavil Murugan of DB Jain College to deliver the induction address for orientation program of BSc Computer Science BCA. Sir, over to you, please, sir.
Good afternoon, respected Secretary Administration Dr. Harish L. Mehta, respected Sri Jason Manoj, trustees, governing body members, coordinator, assistant coordinator, head of the department and faculties, parents and student friends. I deem it pleasure and privilege to welcome you to join and associate in this academic institution. My warm welcome to the family of DB Jain. DB Jain have the academic track record of 49 years of excellence. This 14 years journey has created a lot of academic achievements. You are all part and parcel. You are going to enjoy it in your term of 3 years. And you are fortunate to be in this family to attend the 50th year, where it will be a very important event which is going to be held during your tenure. This journey of D.B. Jain College started with in 1972 with a small institution, and it has grown leap and bounds in all aspects. We have achieved many milestones in this institution. For instance, there are many personalities to be highlighted, to be mentioned to all of you. You should be like them. They should be a role model. Our film director, Ravi Kumar, studied in this college. Our film actor, Vijay Sethupathi, studied in this college. This college has produced hundreds and hundreds of chartered accountants, cost accountants, company secretaries, managers, general managers, managing directors, and software engineers working in United States, Australia, United Kingdom. This cannot be spelled in a very small level. It is a very wide spectrum of academics, students, alumni generated by this college. You are proud to be a student of this college, where it has done a lot to the community. This college has a motto of no capitation, no donation, and see that meeting the needs of downtrodden classes in this journey of 49 years. As far as academic excellence in this institution is concerned, the credit goes to the faculties of all departments. See, any alumni student come and tells me that the teachers are the doyen of this institution for the academic achievement or development. At this juncture, I wish to tell you 2-3 important principles of life in the academic forum. Number one, I always tell that D.B. Jain College is a place of temple of learning. Number two, my next importance is Mada, Pida, Guru, Devam. Mada is Devam, Pida is Devam, Guru is Devam. In such a case, we need not go to temple when we pray all these three as a Devam. Mada is Devam for home. Pida is Devam as a family head. Guru is a Devam who preaches everything to you. Anything and everything in learning, Guru goes. If all the students follow this principle, we can achieve many more achievements, laurels, as achieved by many experts in this country, namely Dr. Radhakrishnan and Dr. Abdul Kalam, and the list is innumerable. You should follow that. Another important principle of Athichudi, Odamal Urunalum Irka Vendam. What it says, every day you must read, write, learn. Learning is a continuous process. Now, I have to tell you the important features which are in existence in this institution of 49 years. We have very good infrastructure comprising of good classroom, library, lab, and other facilities. And we must make use of all these facilities. Right now, you are having infrastructure to listen to the lecture of online in this media. You are fortunate. In so many years, we used to have inaugural session in a main auditorium. Now we have the inaugural session through this online platform. You are fortunate in this critical situation of COVID situation where you are able to listen. Then about DB Jain College. In this 14 years, we have attained autonomous status for 2 decades. We had 3 NAC cycles, where the quality is the essence of learning, teaching, evaluation in this process. In terms of autonomous, really you are fortunate where we have the excellence of designing, developing curriculum on par with professional industry. In terms of teaching, our teachers are excellent. So, in this platform, I wish to tell you that I have been associating in this institution more than 4 decades. Why I have been associating? Because of the interest I have in this institution. My journey has made, in 1978 I joined, till now I continue in this institution because of this institution interest in which I live. The many teachers who are part of this institution, they are associating in this institution as a family. We live, sing and sail together in the academic journey to achieve many more things. I always say all the degrees are one and the same. There is no difference. Only the students are expected to develop basic knowledge, develop skill knowledge in terms of communication, in terms of aptitude, in terms of group discussion, in terms of interview, in terms of writing biodata and facing interview. We not only provide teaching facilities, we also provide para-professional courses, certificate courses to all the students who join in this course. For instance, in 1980, one of the students, Mr. Raju Nambiar, completed BA Corporate. He studied diploma in marketing. Now he is CEO of a very big organization, Tandi TV. There is another person, Sendilvel, who studied BCom Corporate, studied diploma in management. He held the position of managing director. So our para-professional courses are vital energy to you to achieve much more. To the students of computer science, we are going to help you a lot in terms of your software development, especially in artificial intelligence, deep learning, cloud computing, and build all other things, much more the staff will share with you. In this learning institute, we have a lot of clubs are there. All these clubs, you must make use of it and achieve many more laurels. Very important things I should tell you. Teacher, I said Guru, God. So you respect a teacher. You should maintain discipline. And I wish to inform the parents, you should take active care with your student and interact with the teacher. In our college, we have a system of principal, professor in charge, head, coordinator, assistant coordinator, department in charge. We have enterprise resource planning, wherein we can track everything. So the parents have to interact with faculties and monitor everything so that you can make sure that students attend classes regularly, learn the academic system much more. In terms of DB Jain College, we have 2 platforms of school. One is School of Commerce, other one is School of Science. School of Commerce and Management, we have Commerce and Management courses. School of Science, we have computer courses and Viscom. This is the platform of science. See, you belongs to the science platform. The science is the sense of life. When you talk about science, in our mind, only Abdul Kalam comes to our mind. He studied in Rameswaram in a very small village. He developed so many scientific inventions. He went up to the position of president. Till the end of his life, he spent his life to the youth of this country. He always tells the youth of this country are energy. I also tell you here, the youth of this college is energy to the college, energy to the nation, energy to the economy as such. So I wish all good luck and make sure that you are sincere to yourself, sincere to your parents, sincere to your subject, sincere to you. In life, truth is essence of life. I wish all the students, faculty, good luck in all your endeavors. I pray Almighty to achieve best in all walks of life. Whether I am there or not there, my faculties are there, I should see among you to be IAS, IPS, software engineers like Google Pichai. I should see Pichai among the youth of this batch. Good luck. May God bless you.
Thank you very much for your wonderful speech and valuable guidance. I think we will follow your guidelines and support. We will reach our task with the support of the team of faculty and the team of students of BSc Computer Science and BCA. Now, I just overview of college. I will show some. So Dhanraj Bhai Jain College, it is an autonomous institution, a Jain minority institution, as well as owned and managed by Tamil Nadu Educational and Medical Trust, that is affiliated to the University of Madras and 3 times re-accredited, now B+ grade by NAAC, situated at Thuraipakkam, Chennai 97, OMR IT Highway. The PG and Research Department of Computer Science welcomes first year BSc Computer Science and BCA. Our Dhanraj Bhai Jain College is one of the premier institutions established in the year 1972 by Tamil Nadu Educational and Medical Trust, spanning over 49 years of the enriching value based on education and striving firmly towards the uplift of the human excellence. Then Dhanraj Bhai Jain College is re-accredited by NAAC 3 cycles, and as well as it is an autonomous institution. The equality of education is the major motive of the founder. The college has fastened the fee structure to lowest possible to help the downtrodden to reap the fruits of higher education. The college has an enthusiastic and a dedicated team of 122 faculty members who include creative thinking through their spontaneous teaching and research abilities. The exceptional infrastructure acts and a supportive aid which helps in accomplishing the students' goal. The college offered 10 UG and 3 PG courses, full-time MPhil, part-time and full-time PhD courses, and works continuously towards fetching the quality of research work as novelty in the essential investment in the future competence of the society. Undergraduate courses, BA English, BCom General, BCom Corporate Secretariat, BCom General, BCom Corporate Secretariat, BCom Accounting and Finance, BCom Computer Application, BCom Information System and Management, BSc Computer Science, BSc Visual Communication, BCA Computer Application, BBA Business Administration, 3 PG courses, MCom Corporate Secretariat, MSc Information Technology, and MSc Computer Science. And research program, MPhil Commerce full-time, MPhil Computer Science full-time, PhD Commerce full-time, PhD Corporate Secretariat full-time, PhD Physical Education part-time. Our management chairman Shri M. Lalchan Manojji, Secretary Administration Dr. Arishella Mayataji, Secretaries Finance and Academic Shri Jaswant Manojji, DB Jain College Office Bearer, President Dr. Shri Jayatan Savanchakaji, Secretary Administration Dr. Arish Elmetaji, Secretary Academic and Finance Shri Jaswant Manojji. There is what is the expansion of DBJC? Develop a human resource to serve the community and the nation. B for bond through the equity, trust and mutual respect. J for journey towards excellence and entrepreneurship in a learner-centric environment. C for create a competence and skills to emphasize the applied. So our vision and mission, transformation of human mind and creation of a new culture that has a passion for rules, laws, code of conduct, moral values, natural consciousness and human dignity. Mission, to insist a everlasting urge in the student to learn to think clearly and objectively, to develop energy and virtually to them and enable them to perform effectively to bring the peace and prosperity in the society. Goals. Life is a constant process of teaching and learning. So much emphasis is laid on the quality of education being empowered, the quality that shapes, pursued and patterns a person. Quality policy, to create a powerful army of youth, knowledgeable, sensitive, to ensure a proactive with a spirit of adventure, scientific temper and a deep inner craving for structuring a global concord. The official logo of the DB Jain College, you just see here. The key with the book represents the iconic saying, education is the key to success and betterment. The physical balance, campaigning balance the college education provides a process to society and one's inner self. The ideal of the logo characteristics the Hindu goddess of knowledge, music, arts, wisdom and learning. The crop symbolizes the youth of the society who would reap the benefits of the education along with the sense of humor. Then placement. We have a reputed and well-equipped placement cell is there, placement convener, placement officer, placement assistant to associate the placement cell and give the training and the placement cell. Already we tie up with the MOU with the Cognizant, Infosys, Tata Consultancy, Bank Bazaar, Maxwell, Sutherland, Interstate Bank, IKEA, HDFC Bank and as well as Amazon Fibro. As for the sports concerned, we have an indoor stadium, outdoor stadium and a kabaddi ground and a football, volleyball ground. The Dhantaj Bhai Jain College concentrates both on the physical and mental fitness. We are also conducting a yoga classes in the weekend basis to channelize the youth and make them more proactive. Physical fitness is fundamental. Then NCC, the NCC 13TNBN Madras B group with the Army Senior Division started in the year 1982 and now it is managed by Captain Dr. E. Viswanathan, has been pride and proud of the college. Cadets are representing Republic Day Camp and a Tal Sainik Camp at New Delhi. Cadets are participated in various camps like NIC, Advanced Leadership Camp, Mountaineering Camp and a national level trekking camps all over India. YRC, our college secretary Dr. Aishad Mehta is the chairman of Indian Red Cross Society Tamil Nadu branch. Our college YRC program officer Mr. MD Paraniver, first aid and fire safety training program, blood donation camp, eye camp, water awareness, road safety rally, tree plantation. YRC associate with the NSS also. The NSS 4 units in the DB Jain College, 4 faculty taking in charge. Apart from this, training and placement cell, ED cell, entrepreneurship development cell. The entrepreneurship development cell has started with the objective of promoting specialized knowledge in the field of entrepreneurship development, innovation and creative idea. In the view of worldwide shortage of job, both the government as well as the private sector, and the lack of proper utilization of the human resources. The ED cell states they identify the talented youth and motivate them entrepreneurial and innovation work. The center plans to develop various innovative ideas with the young entrepreneurship and the local youth with the support of the incubation center. Then Women's Empowerment Cell. Our college is a co-educational institution. We will give the importance to the girl students also. The Women's Empowerment Cell of the DBJC has been established for our girl students' life. A Women Empowerment Cell to make our students aware of women's rights and insist on their role in the society. With the few of taking up women's issues and problems, this cell helps to create a awareness on their legal rights. Then various clubs is there, Citizen Consumer Club and then the Leap Club. Apart from this, we will give the importance to the nature also. Earth Lovers Club. During the Earth Lover Club activities, we are planting a different kind of plants in their campus, outside the campus to make a good society for the good society. This is a overview of their college. Apart from this, I request you all of the students, every day we are conducting the orientation program 12:05 p.m. after 12:05 p.m. So just log in 12 o'clock every day, Friday, Saturday, Monday to Saturday, 7 days program. In day one program already we got that induction program, and there is a overview of the college. Then day two, that is tomorrow 12 o'clock, the same time. That is about the department, lab, library. In day 3, that is a career opportunity of the BSc Computer Science, BC after completion of the degree. And the fourth day, that is a Tuesday, that is a communication skill, presentation skill. And the fifth day, motivational and value education. In day 6th, that's a Thursday, placement training skill will give the details of the placement training activities. And 7th day, that is next Friday, is a last day of the orientation program. At the time, interaction session and valedictory section for the orientation program. So thank you very much for your participation. So you just convey the messages to the other students, and as well as convey to your friends circle and relatives. Some more few seats are available in BSc Computer Science, BCA. So within a week, you just apply and get the admission immediately. Then you have to submit a TC and pay the fees 15,000 as your first installment. You convey the messages for your students and neighbors, relatives. Few seats are available in BSc Computer Science and BCA. So day 2 program tomorrow at the same time, 12 o'clock. You just log in the Zoom ID. We will share the Zoom ID through your WhatsApp group. You just follow the WhatsApp group and attend the orientation program in daily basis. Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Namaste.
Namaskar.